How to create an account on Taobao. In this video, I'll show you guys how to easily create an account here. Go ahead and install this application from Google Play Store or App Store, then click on Open. Now you just have to agree to their terms and conditions. Once you do that, you will directly land on the home page. And as you can see here, most of the things are on Chinese, but they have the English translation as well. I'm going to click on this login button down below, or you could just go to account section at the bottom right, and then from here you can use email or phone number to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and click on email. Just enter the email address, and once you have entered your email, you can just tap on continue. You can tap on continue to agree to their terms and conditions. Now you can just enter your password if you don't have it. If you haven't made your account, you can create a password for you. I've already created my account, so I can just enter my password. So let me just go back and enter my password here. And once you've done that, click on continue again. It will send you a verification code on your email. You just have to enter that code here. So here I've gotten the verification code. So what I'm going to do is go here and enter that code. Now once you've entered the code, you should be able to log into your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.